All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the garage. Even though I really didn't have anything planned today. Yeah, didn't have any videos planned out. I am working on some stuff. Literally, I am waiting for paint to dry right now. So, anyway, let's figure out something to do. Some of my friends here on YouTube that I watch all the time, they do this thing called Toolbox Tuesday. So what they do is they just go to their toolbox, they open it up, and they show you what's inside the drawer. And since I ain't got nothing going on, let's do that. Oh, I do have to tell you, I do have the big garage door open right now. So if you hear any kind of background noise, nothing I can do about it. You can't control what people do. And if I wanted to keep the garage door down, I could have, but it's 8,000 degrees in this garage today. So we're going to suffer through all the noise and get that flow through ventilation. So anyway, let's do this. All right. So yeah, I always like that part with the explosion. All right. So what we have here is my half-inch drive sockets, and back in the back of the drawer there is 3/4 inch drive. See? Pretty awesome. These are what are these? Speedmaster. I don't know. Never heard of them. I do know that these are pretty old. These actually came out of my grandfather's box. My grandfather used to be well, after he got out of the Army, he was a truck driver and a truck mechanic. So anyway, and we have 3/4 inch breaker bar, some extensions. Look at the size of this damn ratchet. Oh man, I saw that ratchet at I think Tractor Supply. I don't know, probably Chinese made or whatever. I don't really care, but it works for those socket sets, or that socket set, so that's all that really matters. The half-inch drive sockets are actually the first tools that I actually bought on my own, like after I moved out of my parents' house and stuff when I was younger. So these sockets are probably, I don't know, hell, they're probably 35 years old. You got Craftsman here, and then which one's this? Oh shit, what is that? Oh shit, I can't even read that shit. Oh, Powercraft. Man, getting old. This is a really old Craftsman. Let's see. That's Taiwan. Taiwanese. But I've got some Mac tools. What, this one? Yep, this is a Mac tool. You got half-inch to 3/4 adapters. One of them's Craftsman, and one of them is Snap-on. It's my favorite ratchet. This ratchet's been around a long time and been in 3 different people's toolboxes. So you might say it's kind of a generational tool. But it doesn't work anymore, but it's in there just because. I mean, I could take it in and actually use the Craftsman lifetime warranty on it, but I would probably get one like this. And I've already got 2 of those, so I don't need it. And then we got this bad boy here. You stick this on a breaker bar, and it'll actually, it becomes a ratchet if you put that on. So, pretty cool. But I need a new set of 1/2-inch drive sockets, and once I do get my new set, probably all of the 1/2-inch drive here will end up going over to Jimmy's Toolbox, which one of these days, you know what, we'll do a Toolbox Tuesday in Jimmy's Toolbox as well. Matt from Outlaw Edge is one of Jimmy's favorite people here on YouTube, so maybe we'll get that done. We have a speed handle. A lot of people, you don't see a lot of people on YouTube have these in their toolbox. This thing has built a lot of engines. It's put a lot of engines together. As far as I'm concerned, it's a great engine building tool, and it's been used a bunch. This one is a 1/2-inch drive. I do have a 3/8 drive one somewhere, and if I find it one of these days I'll show it to you. But yeah, I mean, it's kind of boring, but it's actually my most used and my favorite drawer in the toolbox. Well, in this toolbox anyway. So I mean, I've got multiple toolboxes. Hell, there's even one over on the other side of the garage over there in the corner that I could go through as well. But anyway, just wanted to do a real quick Toolbox Tuesday and show you guys some tools. Before I go, check these out. These are spotlights that live in our vehicles. This one belongs in my vehicle and this one goes in my wife's. The only reason why they're on the toolbox, and I put them there to remind myself to recharge them, and I forgot. But anyway, like I said, that's the only reason why they're there, is they need to be recharged. As soon as they get recharged, they'll go back in the vehicles. But they're exactly the same. Like I said, my wife bought me this 15 years ago. Coincidentally, my mother-in-law gave me this one like 4 years ago. But they do exactly the same job. They have exactly the same lumens. And I thought it was pretty cool that I got one of a different brand that does exactly the same thing and is equally as good as the other one. Sometimes name brands really don't matter. Alright guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed that. I'm not sure if this is going to happen every week, but I will add it to the list of things to do for the channel. So yeah, there's a lot of other things that I'm going to be having going. What the hell's going on with my beard? Oh, there we go. Anyway, as I was saying, there's a lot of other things I'd rather be doing for the channel, but you know, I will add these videos in. So yeah. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and we'll get back to you another time. Oh, if you're not subscribed to this channel and you like this type of content, make sure you hit the subscribe button and smack the notification bell in the face for notifications. Alright guys, take it easy.
Thanks for watching, and make sure you subscribe to the channel to not miss any content like this, because if you don't subscribe right now, do it, you'll miss a lot of our content.